The Yoga of Flowers, a delightful immersion through the inner arts of the natural worlds. The flowers told me I could not hide my beauty, my perfect place in the world, my existence and bliss. The flowers comforted me, communicating simple elegance and beauty beyond a me. They spoke of courage and confidence to exhibit one's colors gloriously. We begin with an ancient practice of beauty yoga, moving into relaxation and listening through yin yoga, breath, and reflection. We'll embrace the power of the sun with sun salutations, sun breathing, sun gazing, walking meditation, and being the light. Aromatically exploring with aromatherapy and rewilding our expression. Communing with nature and through meditation, we'll receive from the unlimited field of love. Finally, offering our joy in simply being. The inner arts of yoga bring us to our center of simplicity, accessing our unique contribution to the world. The Yoga of Flowers, pure and natural